Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you. We're going to do something really fun today. Today we're going to talk about fire. Henry, what does it take for a fire to burn, do you think?
Oxygen.
Yeah.
Something for it to burn on.
Yeah, which is called fuel.
Uh-huh.
And there's one more thing. When I say it, you're going to be like, oh. You ready? Heat. Heat. So I'm going to show you this fire. I'm not going to get it close to you. Okay. What do you think will happen if you blow on it?
It'll get put out.
You want to try? Okay. What happened?
It got put out because I blew too much oxygen on it.
Not oxygen. What comes out of you?
I mean carbon dioxide.
That's right. You breathe in oxygen and you breathe out carbon dioxide. So when we blow on this, we're taking away the oxygen that the fire needs to burn. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So the fuel's still there. In here, they have like an actual liquid fuel, and that's what's burning. So today, we are going to try to put that fire out by making a gas that doesn't have any oxygen in it in our test tubes.
But how are we gonna keep that? But how are we gonna make that gas go into the fire?
I'll show you in a minute. First, I gotta take this bad boy off. Okay. So this is sodium carbonate, which is the same thing as washing powder or washing soda. And this one is called tartaric acid. Okay, so we're gonna use, I know, so exciting. Okay, Henry, I'm gonna get a scoop of each for these. I'm gonna put them in my test tube. So a little scoop of tartaric acid, put that there so it doesn't tip over, and a little scoop of this washing soda.
Is it gonna do something?
No, well, let's see. What do you think? Nothing yet. Nothing yet, just
Because you probably have
let's
to
mix
have
it a little bit.
more.
Yeah. And then guess what we're gonna add to this?
What?
Just water.
Oh.
Just water. So this is my water. I've got a little pipette. And I put this around so that when we put it over, it keeps all the gas we make inside. So do you want to squeeze it? Squeeze it real slow, okay? Do you guys see the bubbling?
Mm-hmm.
Slosh, 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 slosh. Okay, do you want to hold this for me? Just like that. Okay, I'm going to turn on our fire. Okay, tilt it like this. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to stick this in. What happened? Where'd the fire go? Watch. What happened?
I'm not sure. It
What
just
happened?
disappeared.
It disappeared?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what happens, do you think, if I put the fire in this test tube that has nothing in it?
It would just keep going.
Yep, it's still burning.
Oh, and it made it.
And it made it all steamy. Okay, so what happened? What do you think happened in that test tube?
It was releasing air that wasn't oxygen, so it blew all the oxygen that was already there out, and that stopped the fire.
That did stop the fire. That's exactly right. So what it was releasing was actually carbon dioxide, the same thing we breathe out.
Oh, I didn't know which gas.
No, and there's no way you should have known. That's why I'm here. I'm going to tell you. Okay, we're going to do it again. And this time, we're not going to put a sleeve on it and see if the same thing happens. Okay? So let's do 1 scoop. 1 scoop of that, and 1 scoop of tartaric acid. And then we're gonna do our same pipette of water. And we're gonna let it go. You gotta wait till the reaction's finished. See how it's still bubbling? That means it's not done. Look, if you look close, you can actually see some gases coming out. Henry. You guys see real close there? See those going out? It's almost done. Okay, now let's see what happens. The flame still, it was still burning. There's not a lot of, do you see? The flame still burns. Is it burning, Henry?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it's still gonna go. Even though we did it, we just didn't block all those gases in there. Mm-hmm. So they all went out, just went straight out. Okay. Now, let's do one more. This time, we're gonna light this candle on fire. This time, actually give me just a second. For our next experiment, we're going to light a candle. And then we're going to create the gas using vinegar and washing soda. So I'm going to pour some of this regular white vinegar into this cup. You want a good amount because we want to make a lot of gas. And then I have about a tablespoon of washing soda. Go ahead and pour that right in. And you'll see it fizz up pretty big. And then I'm going to pour the gases that are made, and it puts that candle right out really, really quick. Now, just for fun, let's do it again, just because it's really cool. So I'm going to pour in my vinegar. I've cleaned the cup out, so we're starting fresh. And here's my washing soda, nice and fizzy. Yep, right out. Now, the last way we're going to put this candle out is we're not going to be using gases and we're not going to blow on it. We're actually just going to seal the container that the candle is in, and we'll see what happens to the flame. So I'm going to light the candle. And I'm going to go ahead and get the lid for the candle, and I'm going to stick it on there. So what do you think? What's your hypothesis? What do you think is going to happen? And why do you think it's happening? Let's check it out. So the flame went out. So let's do it again. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put the lid on loosely this time first, and we'll see if anything happens, and then I'll put it on tight. And what's actually happening is the flame is actually burning all of the oxygen that's inside the container, and when it runs out, it goes out. So when the lid's on loosely, more oxygen can get in, but when it's sealed tightly, all the oxygen will get burned and run out. Wasn't that so cool that we could put the fire out in other ways than just blowing on it? We could use the gases we made from a chemical reaction to put the flame out. I think that's pretty awesome. Now remember, if you're doing this at home, make sure you're doing it with a grown-up. Otherwise, there could be accidents, and we don't play with fire unless there's a grown-up around. Whatever you do, have fun. I'm so glad you came, and I'll see you next time. Bye.